Beautiful one. So we're going to make you a drink. This one is for you to get younger and detox in your body. Look at this recipe, guys. I do the research and I recognize the research what I was doing was really good. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do at home and drink it 1 month straight. Get younger. 1/4 cups of water inside of the blender like this. 95% of the cucumber is water, so you don't need much water. Alright, so we're going to pop it straight inside of the blender, just like this. Someone said to me, all of my recipe them is similar. No, they're not similar, they're different. So that's the cucumber. Celery, we're going to use roughly 1/2 sticks of celery. Make sure you get a fat chunk piece of a ginger. And simple, cut it up with the skin and everything. Half of a lemon. Just remove the skin on the seed. I'm going to put some cinnamon powder. And some mixed spice. And some cracked pepper. You can use black pepper if you have any. If you have corn pepper, it's even better. Add a little bit of chili powder. Now we're going to put roughly a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar inside of it. And now we're going to blend this for about 4 seconds until it comes out smoothie. Give it a shake. Nice. One more blend. Nice and lovely. All right. The thing is, it may be a little bit hot. Yeah. You can also strain it if you can manage the heat. All right, guys. That smells amazing. But anyway, look at this. As I said, you can drink it if you like to, or you can strain it if you like it. A lot of people doesn't like the fiber. All right, so if you want to strain it, you can strain it. If you have a good blender, you can blend it out smoothly just like this, then you are very good to go. Get younger with this drink. Honestly, it is amazing. I want to say something to you. I want to say the chili powder. We got chili powder, we got mixed spice, and also cinnamon and apple cider vinegar inside of it. All of these do works together with some black pepper. Alright, we got the ginger inside of it, and also we got lemon, and we got celery, and also we have some ginger. Guys, this is amazing drink, and I want to tell you something. This drink it for 1 month straight, every morning on an empty stomach, or at night before you go to your bed. If not, as I said, you can strain it if you can drink it like this, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. The recipe is a very simple recipe, and this recipe, all of these things do work. All of these things, you do use them at home in your kitchen. If you're making porridge, you put cinnamon in it. If you're making porridge, you put mixed spice. If you're cooking certain kind of dishes, you put chili powder. Apple cider vinegar is very good with water. And we all do use black pepper at home. I was doing a research, and this is the research where I get over the last 5 days now. I've been using this recipe, very good recipe, and this recipe is to get younger. Enjoy the recipe, and I will see you next time. And thank you for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipe coming for you guys. Enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.